Hi, today we want to combine 3D printing with our scrapbooking material like this beautiful sturdy paper. The first step is you have to moisten your paper. I will spritz the paper with a bit of water and wait until it's soft. This is a butterfly I have made with my 3D printer. I put it to the back of my paper and fix it with a low-tech tape so that it won't slip when I turn the paper. Here you can already see the embossed effect from the back of the paper, and this is a very, very sturdy paper. So wait until I show you another sample that I've made with a watercolor paper. This is even more impressive than this, and this is impressive as well. This is a 300-gram watercolor paper, and see how beautiful the embossed effect turned out. Yeah, I hope you like the idea, and I love ya. See you next time. Bye.